Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. In case you're interested in this box, I will leave a link for it down there below in the description bar, and I'm also going to leave individual links to materials I get in this box in case you just want a few things, but not the entire box. And again, the cord that they put on this box is jewelry grade. It's wax cotton cord. And this is the first time we've got this color. It's very pretty. We were getting pink a lot, and then we got like an aqua blue color. But this here was this like cornflower blue. It's pretty. So you can use that to make jewelry. Don't throw it away. And man, I'm dealing with cat hair today. It is everywhere. Okay, so this here, in case you're new to this is a subscription box. And this piece of paper here has a link to a video tutorial showing you how to put together the projects in this box. It's usually a necklace and a bracelet, but sometimes it'll be like a big extravagant necklace with a pair of earrings, okay? So let's see. Oh, we have a free gift. Oh my gosh. This looks like it's going to be a kit. An additional kit to the project that we get all the time. Let's see. We got 2 crimp covers, extender chain, 2 crimp beads, 2 wire guards, a chain, cable chain, and all those you could pretty much see through the baggie, but this one here, I would like to know how long this is. Let's see. Ooh. Maybe a foot. I wonder if this is for like a back of a necklace. Or it could be for the front, it just depends on the design. And then we have 4mm jump rings. We have crystal, meaning clear, matte or frosted seed beads with a silver lining. There's 6 in there. And then there's a lot of stuff in here. 2 oval jump rings, maybe 6 or 7mm. And 8mm or 7mm round jump ring, lobster claw clasp. This is pretty. This is called a button bead. I don't know why they call it that, because it doesn't have 2 holes in it. It doesn't have a shank on it. But this bead here is a crystal clear. It's matte, and it has AB on it. It is gorgeous, beautiful. The hole is right there. I've used this bead a lot. I've actually used this bead, just one, as like a cabochon for a pendant that I did. I'll put a picture up for that. Ready? And then we have bead stringing wire. That's a short piece. 2 heart beads. These are fancy. I have 2 of these in my stash. Mine are milky pink with gold wash. They are gorgeous. This is the second time I have seen these. It's a heart, but it also looks like it's a leaf. So whatever you want it to be, I guess. So this is opaque white with AB on both sides. Very pretty. Alright, and I am wondering if they are doing a little YouTube short video or maybe an Instagram reel for this project here, or if this will be added on to the tutorial for that. Oh my gosh, this is a cute bead. New flower bead. Haven't seen this one. Look at that. It is very dimensional. It's much thicker this way than most of the check glass flower beads. It's matte I think it's crystal. Yeah, it's crystal matte. Crystal clear matte. With Labrador on it. Oh my gosh. And they're bouncy, like little super balls. Not really, it's my mat they're bouncing off of. But those are cute. I like those. There's a hole. Okay. So this will be a project. But will the video for this be a YouTube short? Will it be an Instagram reel? Will it be added to that? I don't know. In the past, they did do something like this, and it was a YouTube short video. Actually, it was a couple different YouTube short videos where they put the project together. Now we're going to see what's in the box. And the first thing is, I think it's a 12mm Labrador check fire polish beads. It's one. I love the giant check fire polish beads. They are gorgeous. Isn't that pretty? It's a mirror finish. So beautiful. Alrighty. And then we got 3mm crystal clear AB check fire polish beads. There's a bunch in here. It might be a full strand or more. I actually want to say it's more than a full strand. Oh, you know what? I gotta get something. Last time I opened up these boxes, someone had a great idea to use these little scooper tray things to dump the beads in, so I can show you guys without spilling them everywhere, and then I can dump it back in the bag. But I do have to put this in my hand because it's clear. You can't see it that well. It's a clear 3mm check fire polish bead, and there's AB on it, but it's only on one side. The one that has it on both sides, or all around, is prettier in my opinion, but this one's so beautiful. Okay, and then I can put the beads easily back into the bag without spilling everywhere. Okay, next thing, we have wire guards, and there's 8 in here. Yeah, I think that's 4 right there. Yeah, there's a lot there. Looks like it's gonna be multi-strand. I love it when they do stuff like this. This is check fire polish bead. This is matte. It's not opaque white. It's actually milky. I'm gonna pour it in the tray, but again, it's gonna be hard to see because they're the same darn color. Pretty much. It's very pretty. 4mm size. I like those. Oh my gosh, do you guys remember the snowman I made? I'll put a picture for that. Okay. And then this is Labrador half. So that might be 12 or 14 actually. I think that's 14 or 16. I think this one's 12 now that I'm seeing this one. That's pretty. Which one do I like more? The half Labrador or the full? I actually think this one looks more flashy. I guess because I could see the clear inside. Okay. And then we have 2, I think 10mm. This is what's it called? Diamond cut or diamond faceted jump rings. These are awesome. They also have them in gold. Yeah, I like those. And then extender chain, but how many? 1 or 2? Let's see. 2. So this will probably be a necklace and bracelet, unless this is somehow used in the design other than an extender chain. Okay, and then are these clear? There's a gray on it. What? This one has something different going on. Okay, though this one looks like it's a crystal clear AB. And this is 10 millimeter. Definitely. This one here is a very dark spot right there. Do you see that? It almost looks like it's blue or gray. That's strange. Okay. And then, oh wow, this is a really big rondelle. This is probably the biggest check rondelle I have ever seen. Yeah. This is aluminum, the color is called. See how it's a matte silver? So that means it's aluminum. And it's a beautiful check rondelle. Okay, and then this is 4 millimeter. I think it's called white shimmer. 4 millimeter check fire polish bead, and I believe the color is called white shimmer. It's basically a white luster on a white bead. Makes it look like this. Okay, I forgot to mute my cell phone. And then jump rings, oval shaped. There's a lot of pieces for this project. 2 lobster claw clasps, 2 6 millimeter or 7 jump rings, black check glass bicones. Now this is not these are Preciosa bicones. They're the elongated bicone, if you know what I'm talking about. They have very smooth rounded holes. They're more like a check fire polish bead. It's like a check fire polished bicone, really. See how the bead is more elongated than like a Swarovski bicone? They're a little different. They have very nice clean rounded holes. Okay. Didn't expect black in this. And then, oh, I love these. These are Lucerna bicones. I think this is 3 or 4 millimeter. I want to say 3. This is a crystal clear AB. Wow, there's a lot. That's a lot. I hope you can see it. I'm gonna force them onto my hand. See that shape? I love the tiny size of this bead. I usually work with it in the 6 millimeter size. I think it's 6. It's not 6, it's 5. But I want to say it's 6. Okay, and then, still going. Oh, this is crystal. Again, meaning clear. It's not actually crystal, it's glass. And it has luster on it. 6 millimeter check fire polish bead. See the luster? Those are pretty. I don't think I have those in my stash. And then we have a lot of bead string wire. And more stuff. Still going, more stuff. We have seed beads. These are check seed beads. I think these are galvanized silver. I don't know if they're permanent. I'm kind of thinking that they might not be. You know, I don't know if check glass beads has a permanent silver bead. I know Miyuki does, and I know Toho does, but I don't know if check has a permanent silver bead. So if it's just galvanized, the silver does wear off. Now there was a trick that I saw a long time back. I can't remember if I read it online or if I read it in a bead magazine, but there were these women that were playing around with galvanized seed beads and they had thought that if you had sprayed your finished product made with galvanized seed beads, if you sprayed it with hairspray, it would last longer. I did try that on a necklace I made, but I don't know if it ended up lasting because I ended up giving the necklace away to somebody. So this is Crimp Beads, which I swore I just opened this. Oh, I'm thinking of this kit here. Alright, so I'll set that there. And then we have Ado's silver galvanized seed beads. Alright. It's a white, bright white silver. Actually, looking at it next to the silver crimp beads, it looks yellow. It's like a silver yellow. If that even makes sense. Like a silver yellow color. Okay. Oh my gosh. I love this. I have never seen this before. These are pretty. I'm going to dump them out. This bead is rectangle shape, but the corners are cut off. So it makes it look really awesome. So see? Rectangle with the corners cut off. Gives it this really cool shape. It kind of makes me think of an English cut, which is check glass, but this is definitely not English cut. First time I'm seeing this. Okay, those are really cool. I like those a lot. So then we have two black. Alrighty. And that's everything. No leaky beads. Sometimes there'll be a hole in the bag. Not all the time. It will happen a couple times, but I always check to make sure there's no spilt beads. So I will be putting this project together, and I will have a picture at the beginning of this video and at the end of the video of what all of this looks like put together, alright? In case you didn't know. And I'm also going to link this subscription box down there below in the description bar so you can go and get it. And I'm also going to link these individual materials here down there below in the description bar. You can also just go and buy them individually instead of buying this box. It's up to you, whatever you want to do. And I'm excited to put this together. The colors are pretty. I like it. I like how they do the Christmas thing every year. And I'm also wondering about this. Is this going to be a YouTube short? Is this going to be maybe on their website? Will this be in the tutorial for this? I will find out. You know, they actually, the colors go together nicely. So maybe maybe they match when they're put together. I think they will. You know what? I probably, if I could put this together, like if I can find the tutorial, maybe it's in this, maybe it's YouTube short, I would like to put it together and have it in the picture for this project so you guys can see what it looks like put together. Alright, so but I'm gonna see. I'll just have to see how it goes. I don't know what's gonna happen. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the box opening. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.